So we talk about our silhouette machines not cutting, and I discovered that my blade wasn't clicked in all the way. So let's talk about the blade clicked in all the way. Here is my silhouette. I have a Cameo 4. Here's my tool. I use the deep blade tool, so if you can see that, it goes up to like 20. I love this blade. Anyway, so this is in housing 1. And so before, like, I would click it in, and I thought like it was all the way set back in there and it was click. But literally, check it out. Click in your blade. Is it clicked in? See, I don't have one in here, but you can see how it pulls in and out. In and out. And out. And then in. Now it's clicked in. Genius, genius. That is how you know it is clicked in. In, out, out, in, out, in. You can tell where the grooves are here on your blade, where it clicks in at, to make sure that it's inside of those grooves. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.